Hey, it's Ben here. In this video, I'm going to be doing a quick review of Designa. This is one of the largest graphic apps that have ever been launched for a one-time price. It actually includes 5 or 6 different graphic apps all in one, including a graphics designer allowing you to build things like blog headers, ads for Facebook, social media graphics, offline graphics. There's a mock-up generator for different types of mock-ups with specific images within, like a computer or a cell phone, your custom images. There's a book designer. This is for, beautiful reports, nice-looking lead magnets, case studies. There's a launch scene creator where you can actually create, there's like a desk. You can create different objects on the desk. There's a launch e-cover creator. These are things for like bonus giveaways, product, boxes for software or for information products. There's even a logo creator. You can create some logos for companies you work with or maybe even yourself to use. This comes with 3,000 design templates. This is on the front end. It's integrated with 7 million royalty-free images from different sites that you can use commercially. And also it comes with a lot of quotes. There's 40,000 different quotes built into it, as quotes are something that gets a lot of attention, clicks, and traffic on social media still to this day in a variety of networks. Now I'm going to go through, I don't have time to go through the actual entire software here because there's so much, but you're getting access to all these things that I just pointed out right now. And as far as the funnel, you're going to get, it's available for $67, it looks like, for lifetime access. You're going to get access to all 6 of these different graphic apps in one cloud software suite. If you want to upgrade to the OTO agency, you can, or the OTO one, that's a theme club where you're going to get themes delivered to you each month. The OTO after that is a viral quote machine app that allows you to kind of build and syndicate quotes on autopilot. And finally, you can have the white label license that will go for $297. Now, like I said, I'm going to go through a couple features here, some cool things that I found. I don't have time to go through the whole entire thing, but I think you can get a good idea of what this can do and if it's all right for your business or not. So first, probably one of the most useful parts is the Launch Graphic Designer, the graphic designer app. And then to get started, all you have to do is press the plus button to create a new project. I'm just going to enter a quick default name here. And then you can create different projects or different graphics, headers, banners, etc. within that project. Now you can start with a blank canvas or you can choose from their templates. And like I said, there's 3,000 templates it looks like on the front end. And you can pick things like Facebook banners, Facebook covers, Square banners for like Square ads, Instagram ads, t-shirts, e-tickets, quotes to syndicate, blog covers. You can actually build memes in here as well. So for example, let's just do a Facebook banner. And then once you click the template you like, you'll be able to fully customize it, including adding and getting rid of different layers, just like Photoshop. Adding in any background images you want from their that really huge collection. Adding any regular images or background images. You can add different quotes. All you have to do is click, and then it pretty much appears here. And then it's pretty nice. It has this drag and drop editor where you can drag it. You don't have to click somewhere else and edit it. You can just click wherever you want. You can do everything to making it see-through, making the font bigger, changing the color around. If you don't like this background image, for example, you can just go here to the layers and click to get rid of that and then put a new one in, for example. Now there's things like different shapes you can add into this editor. There's filters. That's great for Instagram. Just drawing in general. There's stickers you can add. Just click add it. And then you can, of course, customize and build out these different, whether it's quotes, Facebook banners, etc. On your own, and you're getting 3,000 of these included on the front end. Now let's go back to a few other features here. That was the graphics designer. Now if we scroll back here, we can also go to another cool one was the book designer. Now this is something kind of unique where we're going to again start a new project. And this is going to allow you to create nice looking books, whether you can sell these, give away as a nice looking lead magnet, or do it like a presentation even. So for example, we can choose like this one here. Click on it, and then you can edit it, including change the title to something. Wherever this gray is, you can actually add an image. So it actually creates a book from an entire image, or the book cover, that is, not an entire book. But so I clicked in that gray. I'm going to upload my own image here, and then it's going to. I'll go ahead and add the image just like this to make a nice looking kind of clean book cover here. You want to change the name to it. Then we can go ahead and download that image or save it. And then you can add different pages. So this is one page. You can just add a photo as a page. If you want one that has more text, you can add that. So the book cover was kind of a cool idea you don't really see in graphics apps too much anymore. So I want to go through a few more features here. There's also just the e-cover creator. Now, if you just need like a bonus cover, a book for, or a cover for a bonus, or a cover for your own product, you can choose from a box and CD, a spiral book, regular book, or a binder. I'm going to click box here, for example. And then you can choose these different templates are the ones it comes with. For example, let's just choose this one. And then like before, it's going to open up that editor again, allow you to move things around, change the text to whatever you want, add different graphics if you don't want, for example, that pen or that pencil. You can click on the pencil, delete it, or remove it from the layers, add this one in place maybe, and you can customize a book. Whenever you're done with it, your e-cover, you just go up here to render e-cover, and then you have the nice looking box customized to how you like it. Now there's also the logo creator, there's the e-cover creator, there's the scene creator. That one is probably the least, or the, I won't say the worst, but it was a cool idea, but you probably won't use that one as much. The logo creator, it had some decent looking logos. These are just pretty much one kind of design, and then there was a name of the company under it. So good for like kind of a starter beginner logo, maybe not something that a client's going to pay $1,000 for. The book designer, that was cool. We went over that. The launch mockup generator, that's also something great that you can put into videos or projects. Clients will pay for it. And of course, the graphics designer, which had the memes, the Facebook graphics, the Twitter headers, all that kind of stuff, which you'll probably need and use a lot because graphic designers can be kind of expensive. Now, if this is something that you need for your business and you want to learn more about it, it is launching for that early bird discount price. You can get it through my link, as well as a lot of exclusive bonuses and graphics bonuses you can check out right below the video as well. So again, if Designa is something that might be helpful for your business, you want to learn more about it, then you can see everything you're going to get on the sales page whenever it launches at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks for watching this quick walkthrough of Designa, and hopefully this kind of showed what it's about, what you can use it for, if you need it or not, and I'll talk to you again soon.